for a moment. Just breathe. Let the world outside fade away for a little while. Now, imagine this. You're walking into our cozy little room. The rain is falling gently on the windows, and I'm there, waiting for you. 2 warm cups of coffee, and a heart full of everything I've been wanting to say. You sit beside me.
No, sometimes I just look at you and I wonder, how the hell did I get so lucky? I mean, look at us, sitting here, drinking coffee, the rain falling outside, the whole world paused. And yet, somehow, this tiny little moment feels bigger than anything else. I don't say it enough, but you make me feel safe. Not just safe, but like I can breathe again safe. Like I can finally stop pretending. Because with you, I get to be real. You don't even realize it, do you? The way you listen without interrupting. The way you look at me like I'm magic or something. The way your hand finds mine even when you're half asleep. You're not just my boyfriend. You're home to me. And it's not just the good days either. Even when I'm a mess. Even when I'm stubborn and stupid. You stay. You always stay. You know what's funny? I used to be scared of love. I thought love meant losing myself. Shrinking down to fit inside someone else's life. But you never asked me to shrink. You make me bigger, brighter, louder even. You say my name like it's a prayer, like it's the most natural thing in the world. And when you do that, it's like everything wrong in my life just stops mattering. Sometimes, when you're not looking, I stare at you. And I think, if this is all life ever gives me, this moment, this feeling, then that's enough. It's more than enough. God, listen to me rambling. You probably think I'm crazy. But if loving you is crazy, then hell, let me be insane. I'm not perfect, babe. I'll mess up. I'll say dumb things. I'll make you mad sometimes. But one thing I promise you, one thing you can bet your whole heart on, is that I will always love you. Loudly, quietly, messily, beautifully. You don't have to do anything to deserve it. You already do. Just by being you. Just by breathing. Just by sitting here with me. I love you. More than words. More than lifetimes. And if you ever forget it, look out this window. Feel the rain. Taste the coffee. Hear your name in the wind. You'll find me there. Always.